finally arrived. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. I just landed in Bali, just checked into the hotel, okay? So why am I in Bali? Well, this is actually a trip organized by Sony for us content creators to experience and also to try out the brand new Sony ZV-E10 II, which was just launched in Malaysia a while back, like 1-2 weeks ago. So in this trip, we'll be spending about 6 days in Bali, and we will be exploring all the new features from the camera. Actually, this video that you're watching now is fully shot on the ZV-E10 II. Okay, so in case if you're curious how good it is in shooting day-to-day content or vlogging, you are watching the video now. And I'm also not using any external microphone because the built-in microphone is supposed to be very good, okay? More on this later. Time now is about 5 PM. I need to shower, get ready, because after this, we are going to catch the sunset and also have seafood dinner by the sea. So if you're interested in getting the Sony ZV-E10 II and then you're like, should I get it? Watch this video, okay? Keep watching because I'll be exploring all the features and show you guys one after another. So we just arrived at Jimbaran Seafood Restaurant to catch the sunset, and it's just right in front of us now, look. In the ZV-E10 II, there's also another feature called CineVlog. Okay, so CineVlog is basically a toggle for you to turn on, and all your videos will turn into very cinematic videos, whereby they will actually add the black bar at the top and bottom to make the video look more cinematic, and the video will change to 24 frames per second. Okay, so the frame rate is 24, not 30, not 60, because traditionally people who shoots like videos for, like, say Hollywood, you know, like movies and stuff, they all use 24 frames per second. So this CineVlog mode actually mimics that. It also comes with certain color filters. I call it color filters just in case you don't understand. So it comes with certain color filters and also different modes for you to change so that your CineVlog actually looks very different from, you know, another person that also uses CineVlog to vlog. Okay, so we just arrived at Ubud for this Volkswagen heritage car kind of drive, and now everyone is picking their car colors. I think I'm gonna pick the blue one. The ZV-E10 II also has multiple stabilization options, okay? At the base, we can turn off stabilization, but that also means when we are holding the camera, when we are walking, the camera will be shaky. Another standard of stabilization called standard. This one adds a little bit of stabilization, but it is still not the most stable. The most stable is the one that's called active stabilization, but it will crop the video a little bit, hence you will not get as wide an angle as what you get if you switch off or you use the standard stabilization. So there's a compromise here, okay? So let me show you the difference. So when it comes to design, the Mark II version of this ZV-E10 is very similar as the first generation, okay, that was like released a few years ago. But I think the biggest improvements are what's inside the camera, because now it has a 26 megapixel sensor, which is also APS-C. It's got 4K 60 frames per second video recording, and also we can shoot in 4:2:2 10-bit. Okay, so I've got Shimon here. We are going to test the mic on the ZV-E10 Mark II. So the camera actually has a mic system that has these 3 directivity modes. What are the modes?
Front, back and auto. Auto is detecting whether the voice is coming from the front or the back and adjusting according to that.
So now we are on auto mode. I'll send Shimon to the back of the camera, and then we'll take turns to talk and see whether the camera is smart enough to detect the person talking in front or the back. Shimon.
Okay, so mic test 1, 2, 3. Jason, how are you? Welcome to Sony Kando Trip Malaysia. There's a lot of food here, a lot of stuff going on, so I hope you feel good.
I definitely feel good because I'm holding the brand new ZV-E10 Mark II with me. Okay, for this part, we are testing the rear direction. So I'm behind the camera, my voice should be clearer. Now Shimon, talk.
Okay, so Jason is behind me, I'm in front, so we are just talking casually. Let's see how the audio sounds like in the edit. Mic check. This is the front directional pattern for the audio. So let me know how it sounds like. Jason, can you talk a little bit just to see?
Okay, so now I'm behind the camera. By right, my audio should not be as clear as Shimon's.
Yeah, it should sound muffled, but let's see in the edit.
Now there's another feature called soft skin effect, okay? So this soft skin effect is very nice for people who are like content creators, influencers, for creating content, because the camera will be able to soften the skin so that your blemishes, your wrinkles will be less visible, okay? And there are a few levels for this soft skin effect, so you can either choose off, low, medium or high. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II comes with a variable kit lens, okay, and it's from 16mm to 50mm, okay, and the aperture is from 3.5 to 5.6. So this lens is actually very flexible because, as you can see, I can record up to very close as well. Like this cooking clip here, if I want to go closer, I can actually zoom in and it will be able to focus even though I'm at this distance, okay? So it is very good for traveling, for day-to-day content, because you can go from very wide, which is 16, all the way to 50, and then you can also manually zoom as well into the close-up scenes. There's also another feature that is very famous, okay, among the ZV users, which is called background defocus. This feature, when enabled, it will actually blur the background to create a more cinematic look and more focus on the user's face, for example, my face, okay. Now, it is not turned on, but when I press it, it will actually blur the background now, as you can see, right? I'm not sure if you can notice the background blur because this lens, which is the kit lens, it does not have very high aperture. The highest is 3.5. So even though we turn this on, it also needs to depend on the lens that we are using to get the blur that we want. Okay, so now I'm turning it off again. Okay, so as you can see, the background is a little bit sharper now because the background defocus feature is turned off. Then of course, being a camera in the ZV series, we do have the signature features, okay, that comes with the ZV series. For example, product showcase, whereby when turned on, we can show objects to the screen without covering our face, okay? Because before this, without product showcase, every time we hold a subject to show to the camera, it will still maintain focusing on our faces, okay? But with this turn on, it will know that we are showing a product, hence it will focus on the product instead of the face.
lightweight but packed with everything I need.
I think this camera has a big possibilities.
Hello， 我喜欢 Sony ZV-E10 II 的原因呢，是因为呢这一台相机呢可以适合给跟任何 professional 的人使用，就比如说你是个 vlogger 或是你是个 professional videographer 或是 photographer 呢，你都可以用上这一台相机。对
4K 60.
Hey guys, I just want to tell you why I like this camera because it fits in my bag. Can I show them?
Intelligent.
No, seriously, it's in my bag. Wait, hold on.
For the first time in camera history, the ZV-E10 Mark II now comes with rotating user interface. Okay, so what does that mean? It's not really rotating, but it's the interface that matches the perspective that you're holding the camera. So for example, if you're holding it vertically, you get the usual UI, but you know, content creators nowadays, they like to create reels or TikTok or shorts, you know, like vertical content. So you usually would turn the camera 90 degrees, and now the UI actually turns with you. Okay, so you don't have to tilt your head to read like the buttons or the UI. You get to see everything line up in a vertical format on the left and right or the bottom of the screen. So today is also the very last day of us being in Bali. Today is the 6th day, and we will be checking out from this beautiful Mulia resort today. And it also ends my video recording and also my review, my vlog / review of this new Sony camera, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Hope this video is able to help you in deciding whether to get this camera or not. If you're getting your first camera, this will be great because it's a content creation camera. It's got very easy to use features. And for pros, you can also use this because of how great the internals is. 26 megapixels, APS-C sensor, 4K 60 frames per second, 422 10-bit, okay? And to me, I feel it's like a hybrid between a professional camera and also a content creation casual camera. So if you're looking for this, the price is also not too bad. Body only is 4,999 ringgit. Let's say if you don't have a lens for now, it also comes with this kit lens, which is 16 to 50 mm with the aperture variable of 3.5 to 5.6. It's not bad because, as you can see, I've been using this lens for this whole trip and also for this whole video, okay? If you have any more questions or you want to see sample photos or videos, do head over to my Instagram because I have already actually posted a lot of content there. Yeah, if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends if your friends are looking for a new camera. And follow me on all social platforms lah. That's it lah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!